The mayor and town councillors of New Amsterdam visited the construction site of the town's new abattoir. Ronetta Court reports.
On Monday, August 31st, the mayor along with municipal councillors visited the construction site for the mayor and town council's slaughter pole. Works on the $1.5 million project, which is being spearheaded by Councillor Keith Myers and Councillor Kwesi Isaacs, begun on Monday, August 24.
The foundation is done, the columns are up, the topsoil going to be cast, lumber going to be purchased for the rafters, etc. And then we should have something that could actually work.
That was Councillor Myers as he gave a report on the works completed on the facility during his address at the Mayor and Town Council's monthly statutory meeting.
We had some input from practicing butcher. We had some assistance from Mr. Ferdinand in the form of 2 pieces of pipe. And it seems to be well received. So we get some technical input and everything, and so we know that we are definitely on the right track.
Following the meeting, councillors along with the mayor were given a tour of the facility.
GLDA, everybody, examination. This is supposed to be our office / porter's lab. Examination is going to be done. Make sure everything is in order, documentation wise. Permission for slaughter. You can get rails put on here. 2 bars, 2 bars. They got 3 distinct slaughter facilities. The beam going across here, the taker's going to be hung up here. 6 feet apart, each one. Right? From there, animal that cleared for slaughter, they move from there to here. Rope go pass here, pull in. Mark will stand up over here, jump down. Animal follow in the concrete here. They start the skinning, book on the taker, pull up here. So you got a view from inside there to outside. The window, the corner, doorway, there's the office. Meat slaughter hung up here.
During the tour, Myers highlighted to the mayor, Ms. Winifred Haywood, some of the challenges they are faced with while striving to complete the slaughter pole.
The last place, they got to be at the place of slaughter 24 hours before slaughter, by law. Right, so we're observing all the legal ramifications. Right? The project was stalled because this year was a big depression. And we wanted to fill it before we start construction because as you see.
So you're able to get some stuff to go here?
Yeah, but as you see.
But you still need some more.
As you see, we can't get stuff in easily once this is started. But we decided to go ahead and start this and deal with the later on because they are now waiting for the fund.
At the completion of the project, butchers will be able to slaughter and package their meats in a clean and sanitary location. Reporting for Channel 8 News, Ronetta Court.